Hey there everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to fix any problem that you have in Facebook. So, open up Facebook and then go to the three little lines on the top. Scroll down, click Help and Support and click Report a Problem. So, when you do this, Facebook will tell you to go to where you had the problem. You can of course continue to report the problem. Sorry. Just by clicking this, and they will just give you a survey, what happened, where it happened, include it in the report and whatever. But if you just want to do it the quick and easy way, just open up this. All right, click OK, go to where you found the problem. For example, you found it here, and you just shake your phone. I just realized that you can't see me shaking my phone, and that the vocal expression maybe signal that, but yeah, I shook my phone and you see how it pops up. And here you can report the problem, and it will automatically detect on what page you are and where you are, and you can include it in the report, and that's it. And this will pretty much in I don't know exact time span fix any problem that you might be having. Facebook will get back to you, and that's it. Hope this helped. See you next time. If it did, like and subscribe, and have a good one.